You might be asking, should I switch to an Instagram creator profile? Or you might be asking, what's an Instagram creator profile? Well, first we had regular profiles, then business profiles. Now a third option, Instagram creator profiles. I'll give you all the info you need to decide if it's right for you right now. Hey, what's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you feel like you're putting in way more work into your social media compared to the results that you're getting back, you're not alone. But you're also in a great place, because every week we release another helpful video to help you focus on the things that are actually working, help you focus on the 20% of tasks that will drive 80% of the results. That sounds like something you could use. Take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell, and that way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And today I'm going to answer the question, should I switch to an Instagram creator profile? Now we have regular profiles, business profiles, and creator profiles. What's the difference? So I'll help you decide which is best for you, as well as show you how to switch. So the creator account was originally rolled out to accounts with 10,000 followers or more, but now it's available to all of us. And it was designed to let creators and influencers get access to more tools without having to switch to a business profile. In fact, when you first go to switch, you'll see on the screen it says best for public figures, content producers, artists, and influencers. So it may not make the most sense if you're a brick and mortar store, but these days, almost everybody, if you're the face of your company, you are a personal brand. So it may make sense for you in that sense. A creator account will also give you more information about your followers, including daily unfollow-follow statistics, which is something that even business profiles don't have, but also their locations, their age, their gender, those type of things. If you currently have a private account, meaning only the people who follow you can actually see your posts, then you would have to make your account public to switch to a creator account. One of my favorite pieces is that a creator account will let you use Creator Studio, which is a free tool from Facebook, and allows you to pre-schedule your posts. You can view your insights on your computer, and you can even reply to your direct messages on your computer with a full keyboard, which I love because I am not a good thumb typer. If you'd like some tutorials about how to use Creator Studio, you can find the links in the description of this video. Another great thing Creator Account offers that even business profiles don't have is multiple inboxes. You have primary, general, and requests. You can move people wherever you want, but the general idea is that primary is for the main people you want to communicate with. This could be friends and family, clients and customers, or even potential clients and customers. General is where messages will go for everyone else. Some people have been calling this the creepy inbox, because when people send creepy messages, that's where you can have them, assuming it's not so creepy that you need to block them. And then requests will show up on the right side there if anyone who you are not following or that you've never accepted a message from before sends you a message. Last couple of things to help you decide before I show you how to actually switch. As of now, you can't pre-schedule and directly publish your posts on a creator account from a third-party tool like Hootsuite or Buffer, but as I mentioned, you can do it using Creator Studio. And finally, a lot of people ask, will my reach be affected? This is my personal experience as well as what I've found from some fellow people in the industry. When I switched to a business profile, I almost immediately saw my reach go down, but with a creator account, and I've switched back and forth a few times, I didn't see any decrease in reach at all. So I am a huge fan of a creator account, and I'm glad that I switched. So if you're ready to switch, here's how quick and easy it is. First, you're going to go to your profile, just like you see on the screen here for mine. Then you're going to tap on the hamburger menu on the upper right, those three lines. So I tap that, then click on Settings, and then you're going to click on Account. And then at the very bottom, you're going to click Switch to Professional Account. This is going to give you two choices. The first one is Creator, like I showed you at the beginning of this video, and then the second one is a business profile. So if you want to switch to the Creator account, of course, you hit Creator, hit Next. This goes through, tells you a little bit about it, which I just covered for you. Tap Next again. Then you're going to choose a category. This does not have to match a business page like it does for a business profile. So go through and decide what you're going to be. When you first look, you see things like actor, artist, athlete, but if none of those fit, there are some more broad terms in here like entrepreneur, public figure, so just figure out what works best for you. Ultimately, it doesn't matter because as you might see in the fine print here at the top of the screen, you have the option to display or show that category on your page. Hit Next. It's going to ask you if you want to connect it to your business page if you have one. If not, you can just click Don't Connect to Facebook Now at the bottom. Then you need to put in at least one piece of contact info, but you don't have to have this public on your profile if you don't want to. The account I'm using for this demo is a private account, so now this warning pops up saying, hey, you've got to have a public profile if you're going to have a creator account. So that's just something you have to confirm. This is the final screen. This is where you can turn on the category label if you want, and you can turn on your contact info if you want it there. And then at the bottom, you see it shows how it will look on your profile. Hit done, and you are all set. So now if you tap the hamburger menu up here on the upper right, you'll see that Insights menu there where you can access information about your profile. When you go into your DMs, you'll see the multiple inboxes. Let's say you changed your mind. You don't want this to be public though. Then you would go into Settings again, click Account, and then you can just tap this button to switch back to a personal account. And that's it. More questions about Instagram creator profiles? Drop them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a like. You're not only supporting me, but also my two tiny superheroes at home.